How to make a car selling website on Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a car selling website on Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate links below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a comprehensive website building platform that enables users to create professional websites without any coding knowledge or design skills, in which it offers a wide range of features and tools to help businesses and individuals establish and grow their online presence. And it caters a wide range of audience from simple sites like portfolios to small businesses looking to establish an online presence. And now, to get started, you could also click the Get Started button on the top right corner or the Login button if you already have an account on Wix. And after signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, to start creating a new site, just click this button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed on this page. Then from here, you have the choice either to choose or start using AI or even to set up without AI. And I'm going to choose to set up without AI. Then from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the type of website that you want to create. So I'm entering here, car dealer. Then just click the result car dealer below. Then click continue button. And after that, you will be able to see here that your dashboard is now being prepared. So all you need to do is wait for it to load, then you will be able to be directed on this page. Then from here, on this pop-up window, just enter the name of your store. Then proceed by clicking the continue button below or the skip button to proceed. Then proceed by answering their question, do you already have an online store? Then click continue. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter what kind of products are you selling. Web hero services, dropshipping products, other kind of products. Then click the continue button below to proceed. And after clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select your answer. How are you offering your products? Your online store or in person? And after selecting your answer, just click the continue button to proceed. And now after filling out all of the required information, just click continue to dashboard button. And now that we're in the dashboard, you'll see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here setup, home, getting paid, and any other options. So if you want to start adding a products, just click under the catalog and it will show you the products below here. And to delete all of these products, just select this one. After selecting, just click more actions and click delete. And also delete on this pop-up window. And now to start adding your new products, just proceed by clicking the new products on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to choose physical product. And after that, from here, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including the title of the product. Let's say I'm going to enter here Honda car, and for the image and video, we can simply upload a media files from our computer. So let's say I'm going to upload an image, so can I click this one and click upload media. By clicking upload media, from here you can choose either to upload from your computer, Drive, Facebook, and many more. And after uploading a photo, you'll be able to see here that the photo has now been added. From here, you could also edit, crop, adjust, and create a video using this image. However, to proceed, just click add the page button below here. And after adding an image below here, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter the basic info, including the ribbon of this car. For instance, I'm going to enter here or label this as new. Then below, you could also enter here a description if you want to. While under pricing, you can simply set up the pricing for the car that you are selling. You could also declare a sale for this car that you're selling. And after that, just proceed by entering here the prices for the car. And after that, you could also enter here the percentage for discount since we're selling this car on sale. So let's say the percentage for this discount is 15%. And it will show us the sale price in here. And below you could also see here the cost of goods, the profit, and the profit margin, in which you could also customize the cost of goods if you want to. And also below here, you could also navigate or customize the custom text, product options, and even the inventory and shipping. Then under inventory, you can enter here the number of car in your inventory that are available to sell. And if you're now done, just click the save button on the top right corner to proceed. And after saving the product that we just add, it will show you in here under this product. And aside from that, if you also want to set up your payment methods, you can do so by clicking this getting paid options on the left side panel. And you will be able to be directed on this page. And by clicking this connect payment method, it will show you that you can connect your PayPal or manual payments. Clicking see more payment options button below here, it will show us or reveal some of the payment methods that we could also connect aside from those two. We have here HitPay, Dragon Pay, and any other payment options or method that we could also connect in order for us to get paid. And let's say we already connect our payment methods. The next thing that we need to do is to simply set up or design our website. And to do that, from this setup, just click the Design Site button on the top right corner. Then from here, the next thing that you need to do is simply select either customize a template or generate an AI design. But I'm going to choose to pick a template by clicking this button right here. You'll be able to be directed on this page. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the template that we prefer. And after choosing a selected template, just proceed by clicking the Edit button in order to edit this template. And upon clicking on Edit button, we will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, we can now start customizing the template that we choose. But before that, from here, all you need to do is to simply wait for this template to be fully set up. And after that, it will show you a pop-up window where you could also enter details about your website that you're creating and start enhancing it using the AI. But if you also want to edit it manually, you can just simply exit on this part. And now from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply customize using some of the editing tools that we can find on the left side panel. We have here Add Elements, to add section, pages and menu, site design, and many more. And now to proceed editing, just simply click on any of this part and click Quick Edit. And it will show you on this right side panel the Quick Edit. And under the content, you will be able to see here that you can customize or change the section background, strip background, and even this context. So let's say we're going to highlight this one and just simply fill out or enter our preferred context. So I'm going to enter here my website name, which is Car You Need. And aside from that, below here you could also enter the title or other context below here. And aside from context and also media files, you could also change the layout by clicking this layout section. And let's say we're going to edit this header section by clicking on it and clicking Quick Edit. It will show you on this right side panel some of the elements including context, strip background that you could also customize on header. And if you scroll down on this page template, it will show you the whole section or pages that it contains. Or alternatively, you could also change or choose specific pages in here if you want to. We have here pre-owned, new inventory, financing, and many more. So for instance, under financing, we're going to edit some of the elements it contains using on the right side panel under Quick Edit. In which from here, we could simply enter to change or customize the title, even entering here our email address and even our location address in here. And aside from Quick Edit, you could also customize this template using some of the editing tools, including Add Elements by clicking on it. It will enable you to add image, text, button, strip, decorative, gallery, video and music, and other media files. Or alternatively, you could also change using Add Section, such as Welcome Section, About Section, Gallery Section, and many more. And also customize the site's pages and menu if you want to. And let's say you're now done customizing your templates, just proceed by clicking the Publish button on the top right corner if you're now done making a car selling website. And aside from that, if you also want to upgrade your account on Wix, you can do so by clicking the Upgrade button on the top panel and click Upgrade Now. And then from here, it will show you a variety of plans that you can avail. We have here Business Elite, Business, Core, and Light plan. And below, it will show you the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. But overall, that is just basically how you can make a car selling website on Wix. Thank you.